You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this given name of Scottish, also Irish origin. If you want to learn more Gaelic or Gaelic names, stay tuned. I've got many more fascinating videos for you at the end of this one. It's pronounced Duncan. That's the pronunciation in English. It means dark or brown warrior or dark-haired warrior. A common mistake is to pronounce it as Duncan. No, I know it looks like from the spelling it should be pronounced Duncan. It's pronounced Dun, Dun, Kun. It's a schwa sound and a sound. The stress is on the first syllable. Duncan. Easy once you know. Duncan. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.